Okay, so this is this cooking show, and I did one of these layers, and you need to take two big blobs of whatever kind of icing you're using, and you need one of these.
What is that?
It's a spatula, and then you put it back, and then you need one of these, and you have to smooth it out.
But hurry and get a special offer, second set of full-size keypads in the P-Terminator with all orders. So call 1-800-237-6919. That's 1-800-237-6919. Call now.
And you do not need to take a big blob of icing.
Why are you scraping it onto that bowl?
Because, that's your leftover icing. In case you put, too much on, you could scrape it off and put it into the bowl. And you should get one out, but if you don't, and if you mess up, that's probably going to be a problem. Then you take this, you put it in the bowl, and then you take this, and then you slide it onto here. Then you smush it down. Then, if this is really messy like mine is, you can just take this and get that off. See, and tune in on my next video, and then I'm going to take the great cake.